We have a simple and quick upgrade to our Ram 2500 that will increase the appeal of the rear end and the visibility of your license. We're gonna be installing these guys right here from Friday Parts. They have quick shipping and have a ton of different parts, OEM and aftermarket, and they are full built-in LED lights, and they got nice black plastic, not faded at all. Brand new, nice, got the wrapping paper on them. We're gonna leave that on there for now. You know, these old yellow faded lights here don't look very good. So we're back behind the bumper. Now, back behind here, if you can see it, there's a little bracket. And you might be able to just grab it and wiggle it loose with your fingers. Basically, you're gonna pull it out this direction. And actually, we're gonna go ahead and get a full flat blade screwdriver back there and pry this out of there. And just work it. There it goes. And this little bracket is the retainment bracket that holds that light in. So now we're gonna go back up top side. And you can see this is now loose. We can go ahead and pull it through. Go ahead and disconnect that bulb and pull this free. We're also going to go ahead and pull this peanut bulb out. Okay, got the little bulb loose. Now we're going to go ahead and grab the matching LED, and it's just going to plug right in, just like your LED bulb would. Oh, and look at that, lit right up. So we got it good this time. Fit this back into its spot and go down below to connect the bracket. Oh wow, look at that. Look how much brighter and wider that light is compared to that. There's no comparison. I mean, that is so yellow and that is so bright. That's so much nicer.
Friday Parts, fix it once, fix it right.